The lower falls of Alouette Lake. Decided to go for a little date down memory lane, seeing as we used to go down here, well not here, but around the area for boating in our old boat. How you doing, Zach?
Doing good.
Having a good time with the good cousin here. It's like old times hiking around. It's not really a hike, it's more of a day in the park. That's the Alder Flats up there. There's actually still some snow up on the mountains there. Or up in the trees. And we'll be up at the falls in probably, say, another half an hour. And we'll see you maybe somewhere along the trail. Panoramic view shot. This is what BC has to offer. Isn't that right, Zach?
It sure is.
Where are you? There we are. Great landscapes. Beautiful scenery. I love the sound of birds chirping. Reminds me of the old good camping days on the West Coast Trail and all my other trips I've done in the greater BC region. Chilling out. All right, we'll see you guys on the trail somewhere soon. Bye. So I may have misled everybody saying there was going to be about a half an hour to get to where the waterfall is, but as you can hear, it's right behind me. Say hi, Zach.
Hi, camera.
We're going to get to walking into where the waterfall is and then get up to the top of the waterfall and see what we can find. All right? Sounds good?
That's good.
All right, let's do that. And apparently I dropped Zach's camera in the waterfall here. I don't recall, but what can a cousin do, right? So let's take a walk to the waterfall, shall we? Cheers. That sounds good. This is the trail. It's very, very muddy. It was raining all through. And Zach's feet are soaked to the bone. Look at those feet there.
Good stuff.
Right? Good times? That's what you gotta work. That's what you gotta live for when you're hiking in the wilderness with me, man. Don't take life for granted. May get a little bit of a drift off the waterfall. But, oh yeah. Perfection. See it down there. Going all the way down. And here's the waterfall. Look at that, dude. That's a beauty. As my camera's getting soaked to the bone. Here's the waterfall. How's that for you?
Refreshing.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're gonna head up the trail and we'll get to the top of the waterfall here. We'll see if we can get some pictures down at the bottom here. Sound good, yeah? This is my place. This is my playground. It's actually raining outside. My outdoor anyways. And got this amazing view of the top of the waterfall. Try and see if we can capture some more. But see the top up here. Kind of got some ideas for a photo shoot up here, you know, but we gotta find the crazy girl that's gonna get on the rocks below. Look at that right there. So we'll take a pan of Waterfall. As we're getting rained on at the top here. Water's so green. Very, very green. Anyways, we'll see you probably. This is beautiful. Got the waterfall in the background right there. Zach climbing around like usual. And it only took us about 45 minutes to get to here, so not bad at all for timing. And we'll probably head back and figure out what's else in it. I know how to do the camera with my own hand now, right? So get used to it when you're in Australia. Nobody wants to videotape you. You have to do it yourself.